Are you planning a move down to Toronto? Well, in this video, we're going to tour 3 condos priced under the $1 million mark. We're also going to take a look at the schools, the neighborhood amenities, the restaurants, the shops, everything around these condos so you get a sense of what life around here is really like. By the end of the video, I really hope you have a sense of what the Toronto life is all about. If this is your first time to the channel and you'd like to know everything there is to know about living in Toronto and the surrounding area, then be sure to subscribe so you can be the first to learn about the current market here in Toronto. My name is Philip Kotlier. I'm a local real estate agent and I get calls, texts, and emails every day from people just like you. So if that's you, if you're planning on moving across the country, across the world, or just across town, whether it's in 8 days or 80 days, just give me a call. I'm happy to help you make your move everything you want it to be. Okay, we're heading to our first condo tour of the day today. All the condos we're going to be visiting are in the Shops at Don Mills master plan community, which is just 20 minutes north of downtown Toronto by car. Shops at Don Mills was built back in 2009, and at the time it was a completely untested concept here in Toronto. Concept is an outdoor shopping mall surrounded by condominiums, which in a city like Toronto that gets pretty cold in the winter seemed like a bit of a question mark of whether it was going to work or not. The first couple of years of Shops at Don Mills' existence were kind of bleak. Not too many places were leased out and not too many condos were built yet. As the years progressed and more condos were built and more people moved into the community, more of the commercial space was leased out, and nowadays it's a completely thriving ecosystem and community with lots of restaurants, bars, shops, banks. Everything you want when you exit your condo is really at your footsteps here at the Shops at Don Mills, which makes it an excellent destination for families and professionals alike.
First residential development completed in the community was Live Lofts, which is actually an office building converted into a condominium. It was completed in 2015. The next tower, which was built from scratch, was called Reflection Residences. It was completed in 2014. The next tower after that was Flare Condos, completed in 2017. Then there was a bit of a break, and more recently, Rodeo Condos 2 was completed in 2023, and the most recent one, completed in 2024, was Rodeo Condos. That will be touring units in Reflection Residences and Rodeo Condos.
The central square in the middle of Shops at Don Mills is a very unique space. It's really the meeting point for the entire community, and it's a flexible space that's used for different things. In the winter, it converts into a skating rink for skating, and in the summer, it's used for different activities, including yoga, Oktoberfest, and whatever other festival might be coming up. Shops at Don Mills is not for everyone. If you're a young professional that likes the hustle and bustle of the city and likes to go out every night, Shops at Don Mills may not be a good fit for you. But if you're moving here with a family, or if you're a professional that's moving here and needs to drive around a lot for work, you really appreciate the central location of Shops at Don Mills because it's right at the intersection of Highway 401 and Highway 404, which really interconnect you to everything here in the city. If you are moving here with a family, you'll appreciate the great schools in the Don Mills community, along with the extensive trail system that connects from Edward Gardens all the way downtown along the Don Valley Trail. The first condo we're going to be touring is in the Reflections Residences. It features 2 bedrooms and a den with 2 bathrooms and 1 parking stall. It's priced at $999,000 and features 1,139 square feet of interior living space. And that breaks down to $877 per square foot. Coming into this condo, you have your foyer right here, you have your jacket closet right over there, you have your laundry room right over here tucked beside the foyer, and then we have a nice hallway right this way, lots of room for paintings and pictures, which leads to your first bedrooms. This one over here is your primary bedroom. You have a nice view of the shopping mall right out the windows here, and over here you have an ensuite washroom with a stand-up shower right over here. And then behind these doors, there's a couple of closets. Moving on, we have the second bedroom right over here, also facing into the shopping mall with a closet on one side. And then down the hall we go. We have our secondary bathroom right over here with a tub, this one. The watering closet is right behind this door. And then further down here we go. We have the third bedroom, also looking onto the shopping mall. This one doesn't have a closet, so it's technically a den, but it can also be used as a bedroom if need be. And then right down this way is the main living room with the corner right here and the kitchen, and combined with the dining room. This side faces over into the mall, which is a quite nice view. And then on the other side, you're looking at the other condos. This is Live Lofts, the office conversion tower. And over there you see the rest of the city. It's a bit foggy, so we can't really see all of it today. Back inside, let's take a quick look at the kitchen here. You have a nice long island over here with a breakfast nook, enough seating for 4 people. You have your sink right here in the island, double sink, stainless steel. Nice big fridge, oven, microwave, lots of storage in these cabinets. Because of the age of this kitchen, it is quite grand. Newer kitchens don't have as much storage space, generally speaking. This condo is quite a generous size for a 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom space. I've seen ones that are much, much smaller. And the reason for that is this building is 10 years old, and back then they built kind of larger spaces for 3 bedrooms. The next few units we're going to tour are brand new condos, so you'll see the difference in size between a 3-bedroom that's 10 years old and a 3-bedroom that's brand new. Here is a list of schools for the Don Mills neighborhood in Toronto. For elementary, we have Northmount Private School, ranked 10 out of 10, or number 1 out of 2,975 schools. We also have St. Bonaventure Catholic School, ranked 9.1 out of 10, or 76th out of 2,975 schools. In high school, we have Don Mills Collegiate Institute, ranked 6.4 out of 10, or 352nd out of 739 schools. Next up, we're headed to Rodeo Condos, the newest addition to the Shops at Don Mills community. This condo features a 2-bedroom plus den layout with 2 bathrooms and 1 parking stall. It's priced at $900,000 and features 910 square feet of interior living space, which works out to $989 per square foot. Here's your entrance door to the condo with your little foyer over here. You have a nice mirror to take a look before you head out the door. And then over here is your jacket closet, which is a very petite jacket closet, I must say. Right beside it, these sliding doors slide to reveal your washer and dryer unit, stacked washer and dryer. And we have 2 doors off to the right here. This one over here is your den space. So this is a perfect working space. A little bit too small for somebody to sleep in here. Has a nice view of part of the mall and Don Mills over there. Sliding door on the den. Then right this way, we have the primary bedroom, floor to ceiling windows, nice access to the balcony. Over here, right behind us, you have a walk-in closet and a primary ensuite. Brand new finishes here, marble looking tiles. Good sized walk-in closet, I must say, that's a big plus. And then heading into the space, there's the den we just saw. And then we have the main kitchen area right over here. So this is a linear kitchen, pretty normal nowadays. All the appliances are Miele appliances, which is more on the higher end side of the spectrum, especially here. We have kind of a 2-tone pattern. The fridge is flush mounted, but it is a bit smaller fridge. This is pretty normal nowadays as well. This is the freezer down here. The dishwasher is going to be baked into this area over here. It's also a Miele dishwasher. And then behind us you have the main living and dining space. It's kind of just like an open space over here. You could potentially set up a table over here, put a couch against this wall over here, put the TV up on this wall right over here, and kind of just have one open concept living space. And then spills out onto a very large balcony right over here. This balcony overlooks Don Mills and a portion of the shopping mall as well. You have your grocery store right there, Metro, which is super convenient to have within arm's reach. Let's head back in, take a look at the last bedroom. Over here would be the last or second bedroom. Floor to ceiling windows in this one as well. You got your closet space over here. Let's take a look. Double doors, bigger than the entry coat closet. And then one last washroom right over here. This one has a stand-up shower, which is great. Now that you've seen the space, what do you think of it? Would you be able to make it work? Let me know in the comment section below. Here is a small selection of restaurants and shops that I like to visit at the shops at Don Mills. A few of my favorite restaurants are The Good Son, Taylor's Landing, Joey Don Mills, and of course we all can't wait for Italy when it opens shortly. For condo number 3, we're back to Rodeo Condos. This condo features a 2-bedroom plus den layout with 2 bathrooms and 1 parking stall. It's priced at $910,000 and features 883 square feet of interior living space. That works out to $1,030 per square foot. Okay, here we are in the last condo of the day. So this is a little bit of your entry foyer right over here. You have your jacket closet over here. This one is a bit larger than the previous, lots of space over there. And then we walk right into a den, which is right over here. This den is not enclosed like we saw in the previous condos. It is kind of just baked into the hallway over here. So you can have a work space over here, maybe additional storage as well. And then on the other side of the den, there's this double closet over here. This is your laundry, stacked laundry unit. And on the other side is some more storage space, which is nice to have. And then moving deeper into the condo, this is your second bedroom. Beautiful floor-to-ceiling windows. This is actually a sliding door that goes onto the balcony. We have a bit of a higher floor unit here, so you got this stunning city view. Mirrored closet over here. Let's keep going. So here is the washroom for this second bedroom. This one has the stand-up shower unit. And then as we look deeper, this is a corner unit, so it's a very kind of open concept space. We have the kitchen on one side, perfect room for a dining table over here. And over here we would have kind of your living space, room for a couch right over here, and then TV right up on the wall right over here. But these corner units are quite stunning with all the views you get and all the natural sunlight that comes into them. So what do you guys think of this color combination? A little bit darker than the previous, but I do think it's quite effective. I like the two tones, I like the floors, same Miele stove and oven, fridge, freezer, dishwasher, all Miele like the previous one. I like it. Has this kind of marble countertop over here. Let's take a look at the primary suite. So it's right through these doors. Same floor to ceiling windows, same very nice view. And then here's the ensuite. This one has the soaker tub, same color combination as before. And then right through here is your small closet, small walk-in closet that is. Let's head out to the balcony quickly as well. So it is March. We did have a little bit of a snowstorm start as we were filming, so things got a little bit foggy. But that's just how March sometimes is over here. But the view is quite nice. Over here it's the east-facing view, so the mornings will be very bright. And you have this nice big balcony as well over here to enjoy. And that concludes our tour of 3 condos priced under $1 million in the Shops at Don Mills neighborhood of northern Toronto. What did you guys think? Is there a favorite that you had out of these 3? Feel free to let me know in the comments below. I think I have a little bit of a bias towards these condos. Perhaps it came through in the video. I'm pretty sure it did. I clearly like the slightly older one. I like to be able to renovate, do a little bit more with a condo and kind of build your own vision into it, and I think that's a lot more possible with the older ones. But then some people like turnkey condos that are just ready to go, ready for living, brand new features, new finishes, and I totally get that and I can totally respect that as well. So I want to provide you a few different options to show you the contrast here in brand new versus 10-year-old condos. And moving forward, we're doing neighborhood tours of all the different neighborhoods in Toronto, so expect a new video posted every week. So don't forget to like and subscribe so you can be the first to be notified when a new videos are posted. That's it for today. We'll see you guys on the next one.